Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 9th reveal of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent calendar and haven't looked at today's item, you may want to pause the video. I'm about to reveal it. If the Crafty Advent calendar is still available, I will have links in the description box below. So let's find window number 9. It's on the left side. We'll open up that first flap. There's nothing pictured on the inside. I'll remove that paper piece, and it looks like we have a pack of sequins. Beautiful yellow color that has an iridescent finish. The sequins don't have the hole in the center, so I know some people would call them confetti. It's a beautiful color. I love that iridescent shine, and I believe there are 2 sizes of sequins in the pack. So let's get started on a card. The pattern paper I'll be using is from Newton's Nook Designs. It's their Spring Blooms collection. I've been using it for a few of the Advent cards so far this month. I am using a card sketch for inspiration. The sketch is from Cards TV. This is sketch number 20. I selected 3 pattern papers for the background. At the bottom, I'm adding the yellow tone-on-tone floral paper. In the center, I have the green tone-on-tone gingham design. And the largest panel is a purple tone-on-tone small floral pattern. I'm adhering all 3 of those pieces on some white shimmer cardstock. You'll only see a tiny bit of the white cardstock, just those narrow strips between each of the pattern papers. To help get even placement for the green strip, I added the yellow and purple panels down first. Now I can eyeball that green piece and have an even border above and below it. Now I'll layer this piece on some purple cardstock. Put ATG tape on the back and add my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. The purple cardstock layer, I added an additional 1/8 of an inch. For the small rectangle element on the card, I'm using more pattern paper, and I did cut it a little bit longer than what's indicated on the card sketch. I'm using some of the tulip pattern paper, and this piece is 2 inches by 3 inches. I'll layer it on purple cardstock, and that piece is an additional 1/8 of an inch. I'll put ATG tape on the back and add the tulip panel on the card. I love this paper collection. The tulip designs are so pretty. Earlier this year, I released a tulip card series, and in one of the videos, I used this paper collection. And I'm still going to do a couple more. I only have 8 so far, and I really wanted to end with 10. So early next year, I'll work on 2 more videos featuring beautiful tulips. And if I find more fun tulip products that I just can't resist, I'll probably continue on with the series. For a sentiment, I decided to use one of the wax seals that I made earlier this year. This is from Spellbinders. It has the sentiment "for you" and some foliage on the left side of the sentiment. This pink color matches beautifully with the pink color of the tulips. For a little extra detail behind the wax seal, I'll be putting it on some silver metallic cord. I first wrapped it around my fingers, created a messy nest. Then I was going to place the wax seal on top. Didn't like how it looked, so I will fuss with it just a little bit more. On the back of the wax seal, I did put an Adhesive Circles sticker. They're super sticky and perfect for adhering wax seals. Since the metallic cord wasn't really cooperating with that messy nest look I was going for, instead I'll start attaching the cord on the back of the wax seal since I already have the adhesive sticker there. And now I'm creating sort of a flower look behind the wax seal. I'll loop the cord back and forth, making sure to fill in all of the areas around the wax seal. My daughter's been using a lot of the wax seals that she's made on her Advent cards, so I decided this time I would add one on my card. We both really enjoy making them. Something about it is very therapeutic. So So once I've looped all of the metallic cord on the back of the wax seal, I'll grab another adhesive circle, place it on the back, and that will help hold the metallic cord in place. I'll remove the backing and add the wax seal more toward the bottom of the tulip pattern paper panel. It's nice that the adhesive circles have a little tab on the backing piece. Makes it much easier to remove. Now it's time to add the new sequins or confetti, beautiful yellow color. I'll pour out a small amount in Scrapbook.com's stack and sort tray. Makes it easier to select the different sizes. I'm following the design of the card sketch by putting 2 of them in the upper left-hand corner and 3 in the lower right-hand corner. They don't have adhesive on the back, so I'll be using Barely Art glue. And to pick them up, I'm using the wax tip end of Scrapbook.com's Craft Pro Pick tool. In the bottom right-hand corner, I'll add the largest size in the center, 2 smaller sizes on the right and left. And in the upper left-hand corner, I'm using 2 of the smaller sizes. And I'll make sure the sequins are in a nice straight row before that glue dries completely. So there is my finished card, and here's a look at the card my daughter made. It's beautiful. You can see she used another wax seal, and she also used some of the metallic cord behind along with some leaf die cuts. The pattern paper she's been using for her cards is from her own stash. I know some of it is from previous Spellbinder card kits. I let her go through leftovers from card kits I've used in the past. If any of the products are still available, I will have links in the description box below. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 10th reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.